Hi, my name is Louie and I'm a qualified mechanic. I'm the owner here of European Vehicle Services. When I first started, I cut my teeth working on Volkswagen, independent Volkswagen, and I bought this business in 1998 and I'm still here now. All the staff here are long-term and they're all factory trained at Bosch. I think we're different because we're really diverse in our repairs, being we repair older style cars from mid-60s, Volkswagen, Mercedes, right through to modern day cars. We do small mechanical restorations. For me personally, my success story is having my son work here. So he started from cleaning the washroom and spare parts, and now he's done his apprenticeship and he's fully qualified, and that creates a family environment now. I like my customers because we have good working relationship. And when I say that, I ask the staff, the working staff, to speak to owners. So if there's a problem with the brakes or the headlight's about to fall off or whatever, they have a one-on-one relationship with the person repairing their car. My customers, what they like about me and all the workshop is they know what to expect. So when they come here, the service is done, minor repairs are done, annoyances, squeaks are done, the car is also washed. We're going to go bigger. At the minute, I'm really happy with the way things are. Just a bit of everything and a good family environment, and I think it works best.